Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a chart of accounts in Odoo. Let's get started. First go to odoo.com and log in your account. This section will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on accounting right here. If it's not visible on your dashboard, go to apps first, search for accounting, then install it, and after that it should be visible on your dashboard. Next, after clicking on Accounting, this will lead you to a new page where you will click on Configuration from the navigation menu above. Then click on Chart of Accounts from this drop-down menu. Next, in this new page, this is where you will find all of your charts of accounts. From the top left corner, click on New. Next, type in your code for this specific chart, then put in an account name. Lastly, click on this small downward arrow at the far right of your screen to open this drop-down menu. In here, you will choose the type of this new chart you've made. And that is how you can create a chart of accounts in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.